Oh, we have wine.
Yeah! Yeah!
Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day!
Siomai! And what is this? Macaroni!
Happy Father's Day! Let me see this. Red wine. Ayun nga. Oh, ayun pala yung blackberry na nasa Okay. Pinabaliktad.
Hi, Izzy!
Oh, ano nyo daw? Video nyo.
There you go!
Ay, sa taas. Kunin ko lang yung basa sa taas. Venturan naman sila nakapokus na sa Uy, yung mo naman mas 1, 2, 3. 3 na! Ayan!
Oh, candle, candle! Wait, wala pa! Wala pa!
Kuya Ian! Di ba ako? Okay, okay. Game kayo. 1, 2, 3.
Wala pa naman eh! Wala namang apoy! Yay! Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day! Happy Father's Day to you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Wala nag-wish ba kayo? Hindi kayo nag-wish! May wish yun! Kain na! Hello, kuya!
O pare silang kulay yung
Kain na! O, baitiin nyo sila Uncle Manuel, sila Daddy! Daddy! Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day!
Ano ba? With everybody to every father. We have red wine for our barbecue meat. Oy, batiin niyo sila Uncle Manuel.
Uncle Manuel! Uncle Manuel! Uncle Manuel!
Daddy. Oy, bumati ka.
Happy Father's Day!
Uncle Manuel.
Uncle Manuel! Happy Father's Day! It's blackberry. It's not red wine.
Picture, picture. Let's go to our dirty kitchen where my mama. Hi, ma. Batiin niyo sila Daddy. 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 Batiin niyo sila Daddy.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy, Uncle Manuel, at Uncle Alan. Joke lang.
Kain na. Let's eat. We're gonna eat na.
Yeah!
Kakain na kami. So, goodbye guys. Say bye. Kain na na.